Yo, what's really good, guys? Welcome back. Axtuo is back. 2001 Acura MDX. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to replace the rear shots and links. Alright, so stay tuned. Before I jump into the action, you know, I'm gonna say it again. Shout outs to everybody. Shout outs to the whole clan, the gang, community, family members, everybody, you know what I'm saying? Everybody in the building. Shout outs to my haters too. I love you. Not like that though. Alright, so let's get it. Alright. Am I forgetting something? Hey, if you want to contribute to the channel, right below this video, there's a heart. It says thanks. Click on that. Go through it. You see what's that about. You know what I'm saying? Show your love, you know what I'm saying? More or less, maybe I'm forgetting something though, but let me show you what this is about. Oh, I want to say thank you for the comments. Some of them, you know, they're gonna cross the line. They're gonna be a little bit corny though. They're gonna be corny, but it's all good. You know what I'm saying? As long as you don't get too crazy right there, you know what I'm saying? I take it. So yeah, smash the subscribe button. Do that. I'm a little bit too tall for this. Am I? Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Get your membership. And like, share, and comment. All right. So let's get Axtuo, Buru. This is the shack right here. The whole nine. That's the shack right here. Sorry for the light. I'm gonna remove this because it's not helping. All right. There's one bolt, no nut, that hold the shock on top. You see it when you come down. This is a nut though. Okay, that's a nut. That's gonna be I think it's nut 17. Yeah, 17. And here's the link. This is the link right here. Okay, maybe you can see it better from behind though. Now, right there, this guy right here. So I'm gonna show you how to replace those two, okay? The shock and the link. Okay, I'm gonna do the links first. All right, just because it's easier. Okay, I'm gonna grab a pry bar. Okay. See a bottom. See that? It's just a bowl. There you go. I just gotta pop that thing. There you go. Alright, this is what you get. It's easier though, so you don't have like a tension there. Alright. I could hold it right there, but I kind of want to pop this though. I like to pop this. Pause. 1 second. Now you kind of want to peel this. 1 second. There you go. Let's focus on the one on top. You peel the thing, okay? Peel it. Now it's just. But There you go. Do it with this guy, especially with this one though, made by Milwaukee. Okay, it's really good. You just press it. Once you press it, you start turning it. So you grab it good. A rubber. Now, you grab it here. Okay. Oh, that's way better. So like I was saying before, I just tied it here, like that. Now I can remove this bastard. Easy. When you lose this, you gotta lose it because it's like tight. Now we do the bottom now. This guy right here. I'll do the same thing. Wanna press it good. This thing is all about pressing. There you go. Oh, it's cracked now. Okay. Good, I crack it. Push it out. Alright, same operation here. I'm gonna grab it good. We're gonna grab it good. Let's see. Then hit it with the 14 on the other side. I don't care about this link because I'm gonna replace it. So come through here, 14. It's kind of spinning over here. I'll tie it. Okay, should be good. Here. Yep. Well. And you gotta do this on both sides, okay? Maybe like this. Made by Supreme. That's a part number. MK90716. Alright. So it comes with the comes with one link, okay? You gotta get two of these guys. And when you put it on, I'm sorry, let me show you. And when you put it on, just put it on the top and don't tie it yet. I'm Now that I did the other side, I'm gonna leave this for the end though, because when I do this, I'm gonna do this shot here. That's 17 right there. All right. We're gonna need a jack under, but not now though, because I did without the jack. This is the filler neck. There you go. This is the gas filler neck, so be careful with that. How it looks like. Okay. Now the bottom. Let's go. This is the other 14 right here. It's a nut and a washer. Fucking rush with this shit. Now I'm gonna hold this, press it down, and give you the whole picture. Can you even see the whole picture? There you go. I'm gonna press it down. Should be good. Now I'm gonna hit this guy. So I'm gonna press this guy down. There you go. All right. Oh, right here. Let me give you the part number for this. We're gonna do it like this. I'm gonna flip the camera though when I edit this video, so I don't know which way. I don't know if it's like this or like this. Alright. This is what it comes. Da-da-da-da-da. This thing goes up, okay. And we're just gonna put it on. I'm gonna compress it, put it on the floor, compress it with my own weight. So it can come here, basically, put it like that. And this thing I'm gonna guide it to go up. You see it's going up? Okay. Same thing. I'm gonna guide it. It's gonna go all the way. Not all the way though, because I gotta help it with the jack. But here I'm gonna pull back this washer and the nut. Tied it with 17. Good enough. Now I'm gonna bring it down. Come through here with the jack. I'm gonna check the shock. And this thing is gonna start going up. You see it? You see it? A little bit more. Let me get the bolt. Where's the bolt now? I think I left it over there. Okay. So right here, it's almost there. Just help it. Maybe just one more, a little bit. There you go, perfect. I'm gonna put some WD-40 in this bolt. Now it's gonna go straight through, like that. Now I'm gonna tighten the 17. Should be good. Alright. Now here I'm still using the jack. Come on this nut. Try to make this link. There you go. Okay, I see you, boy. There you go. You can wiggle this, all right? Okay, now I want to try to do the same on the other side. Don't tie it yet. I'm going to try to do the same on the other side. On the other side, I put the shock already. I set the link like this, so it's not difficult when it's, you know what I'm saying? When it's all tight. You gotta keep it loose until the end. Now I don't think I need the jack help. So I'm just gonna, I mean, if you don't have a lift, it's okay. You can do it right there at the bottom with the jack. I just have the benefit of the lift. So, what size is that? 17 maybe? Let's see. 15, maybe 15. Let's see, 15. Yeah. This one I want to hit it with the gun. This one, since I don't have an angle, I'm just gonna do it with the wrench ratcheting 15 millimeter. Yeah, so it's a 15. It's a 15. Oh, by the way, this is the driver's side. I'm gonna tie this. Should be good enough. Grab my 15. No, the camera is on the way though. Like that. There you go. There you go. There you go. Time to eat. Time to eat. That's pretty much it. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. Just put the tires back and do the same on the other side, passenger side. All right. I'll leave it right here. Hope you like this video. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to support my work. Support the channel. Right below this screen, there's a heart. It says stamps. Click on that. All right. Click on that. Go through it. You see what's that about. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And holla at your boy. You know where to find me. 2001 Acura MDX. See me in the next one. Axtuo, Burl. Alright. Holla at your boy. See ya. Boom.